Hi, my name is Cassie, and this is your 5-minute tip for the week. And today I am with Stephen Replin from the Replin Law Group. Now, Stephen, thank you for being here, first of all.
Yes, Cassie, it's my pleasure.
Yes, and you are a lawyer.
I'm a lawyer who deals in the entertainment industry.
I love it.
I work with filmmakers and writers and screenplay writers and musicians and, oh my God, dancers and artists, and so on and so forth.
The whole shebang. So
Yes.
Tell me, Stephen.
Yes, Cassie.
Why would an author need a lawyer?
Well, I tell you, I'm asked that question all the time, believe it or not.
Okay.
And the primary reason is that there is very little that you can do in the publishing industry that does not have legal ramifications, which start from the copywriting of your material that you've created, the use of quotes or photographs in your book, titles not so much, but potential trademark infringements if you're dealing with the discussion of products or services that are offered by others, especially in a critical manner. Probably the use of distributors, self-publishing, and the pay-to-play vanity presses is one of the most incredibly bad things for most self-published authors.
Really?
Because the contracts are so binding, and they present the contracts to you as though they are our standard contract. Well, there aren't any standard contracts. So they'll want you to buy only through them, and they can only distribute, and you don't have the right to do anything without their permission. And they want the exclusive rights to your next 3 titles. And it's a real problem for most independent authors because they are so eager, the authors are so eager to get their materials into the marketplace.
It's true.
And it's so difficult these days to do that, that somebody offers them an opportunity for the low, low price of $4,995, and then you get, you get your cover art done, who owns the copyright, you get your editing done, you get your layout done, and they'll even print you 10 books, which they'll sell you for a wholesale price. It's pathetic. And then you can never leave them, and the ways out are so difficult. I've probably broken, I don't know how many dozens of these vanity press contracts in my life that are so detrimental to people who start off publishing with such a pure heart, and they want their books to just be a reflection of the best of them, and then they get stuck in these bad agreements, and it's a real problem.
Wow, you're scaring me.
Oh, Cassie, I don't want to do that.
No, but it's important to know. The awareness, I think, is definitely the first step.
Yes.
Don't you think?
Can I give you just one hint for our folks out there?
Yes.
And that is, if there's any one clause in the agreement with anybody, really, I guess in almost any circumstance, I always look at the clause that tells you how you can get out of the agreement if it's not working for you.
Oh.
Yes. So I had a...
important.
It is. I had one of these vanity press contracts that I reviewed, and it gave the vanity press the right to terminate the agreement at any time within the 5-year term, whatever it was. What was it missing?
The author.
The author had no way to get out. Or the other one that's my personal favorite is, well, Cassie, by mutual agreement, we can terminate the contract. Mutual agreement? Wait a second. At the time I want out and you don't want me out,
that's not mutual.
How do you get to a mutual agreement?
Yes.
So it's a trap. It sounds so lovey-dovey and so, kumbaya-ish, but it doesn't work because both parties have to agree to terminate the agreement, and likely the publisher will never agree to get out of the agreement, and so
wow.
you're stuck. Wow.
You're giving us so much information. I love it. All right. So we are almost at 5 minutes, so I don't want to miss a chance. First of all, thank you so much. This is so good. And I'm sure that there's so much more. And now that we, sometimes it's not a matter of getting scared, but a matter of being aware. So
absolutely.
I appreciate that. Tell us, how can we get a hold of you and your services if we want them, if we need them?
Very nice. If you need to talk to a lawyer, which I would recommend almost every author do, whether it's fiction or nonfiction, before you publish and it's like ready, fire, aim, please reach out to me, Steve Replin, Replin, the Replin Law Group. It is 303 322-7919, and I would be thrilled, just overjoyed, to help keep people out of trouble before it's too late.
I love it. Thank you so very
You're
much.
so welcome,
yes.
Cassie.
And this is your 5-minute tip this week. We'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.